In this episode, we are going to show you
how we dived even deeper into Cambodia's wilderness
and found some more stunning waterfalls.
Before we showed Tilly some markets.
And finally made it to the border of Laos.
Are you ready, baby?
Ready.
Woohoo! Whoopee!
Yay!
We forgot our sunnies. That's why our eyes are pretty small. And there was a party last night here. It was pretty loud last night. Good morning! Where are we?
We're I'm not sure.
We'll blend it in right now.
We're on the way to the Laos border.
And to the Mekong River. We stayed overnight in a little hotel in a town. And it's actually very unusual. Like, it was a nice hotel. We're on the roof right now. Rooftop kind of thing.
It's like a little guest house.
Yeah.
There's only, I think, 6 rooms, the lady said here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And very unusually for, I think, Asia, for all the hotels, we never had breakfast. But this time we got breakfast with it. And it's amazing.
It's toast.
It is toast, water and coffee.
The essentials.
What else do you need?
I'm happy with that. It's free.
Yeah, saving money here. We forgot to say, just in case anybody's wondering why there's so much water in there, we need to drink a lot. It's 40 degrees, 42 degrees actually.
Yeah.
We're starting early as we can at least. We can really feel it draining us, but we're powering through. We're on our way to Laos. Laos should be a bit cooler, so that's fine. It's just hot.
It's hot.
Yum, yum, yum.
We have mango as an addition.
We just upgraded our breakfast because we still had that mango that William gave us in our last accommodation. Thank you so much, William. You're the best. Just in case somebody's wondering why I'm wearing a dirty shirt to the breakfast, all my shirts literally look that way now. They're all a bit dusty and dirty, and I'm not rolling around in dirt. It's more the dust that's in the air and gets blown up by the cars, and I'll just fully get it in my face. And because I'm sweating, I'm then doing this all the time to get the sweat out of my face. And yeah, that's why I store my dust at the end.
We started our day with a lovely little breakfast at our guest house.
I don't think you can rip it out.
Before gearing up for an adventure into the wild of Cambodia.
Alright, let's get out of this hot city. Cambodia really marks the hottest part of our journey so far, right?
Yeah, definitely. We thought Thailand was hot when we were riding in, 36 or 38?
Yeah, we really thought that was hot, but that's just like a whole new level here.
First stop, fueling up at what turned out to be the friendliest petrol station in Cambodia. It took some time to satisfy Tilly's enormous thirst. Her fuel tank is massive after all.
More. It's okay, yeah. 81,000. I'll have a look.
The cherry on top, he even gifted us free drinking water.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good luck, have a nice day.
Thank you.
We didn't have much to give in return, but we left behind one of our stickers to say thank you.
And
Around the world?
around the world, yeah. We're on YouTube, Instagram.
Yes.
We filmed a little bit. Is it okay?
Yes.
On YouTube?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, you will see you there.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you very much.
They're so nice people, it's amazing. It's not the first time we got free water at the petrol station, hey?
And with that, it was time to head off into the untamed beauty of Cambodia.
The rugged landscape, the red soil, and the endless dust instantly reminded us of home, the Australian outback. So sit back, relax, and enjoy these glimpses of Cambodia's breathtaking countryside. And again, we were speechless at what the motorcycles can do here. And of course, we will always give way for wildlife. Are you going or not? That's okay, take your time. Yeah. As the endless desert road stretched ahead, Maddi decided to spice things up by trying some new camera angles. And then forgot to turn the camera off. So please enjoy a bit of Maddi's helmet face. Before long though, dodgy bridges one after another started to appear again, which Maddi loved.
After a long ride, we finally reached the area we had heard so much about, home to some stunning waterfalls along the Mekong River. Excited to explore, we paid the entrance fee and set off on our adventure.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Is it? I don't know.
8,000 euros.
Ah, okay. 10. Me and the money again. 1, 2. 10, 15, 16. Good? Akun. Ready? Okay, Akun. Bye. Thank you. That's amazing. Wow. Ooh. God går den snart. That's beautiful.
It didn't take long before we drew some attention.
Give them a thumbs up. Oh, good. Australia. We're both from Australia. What's your name? Oh, you're Sweden. 800 cc. 800. Triumphtiger. It's very good. Very good. Around the world. So, where's our sticker? Wait. Ah, here. So we're from Australia. Australia. From here, all the way here, here. All the way. Yeah. Yeah. We changed the color of our boots to red.
But then, curious about the waterfalls, we wanted to have a closer look. While the beauty of the waterfalls was undeniable, it was sad to see the rubbish scattered in the water. Even so, the falls were breathtaking. So please, lean back, take a deep breath, and take a moment to enjoy this.
Well, I guess this is the life, eh? Eventually, it was time to say goodbye to this incredible place and hit the road again. headed straight to our hotel, located in the last city before crossing into Laos. The guest house we stayed in was a charming little spot filled with amazing artwork. Although not all of it was exactly my taste. There she is, little red beauty, and we made it. It's a bit midday, it's like around 2:30 p.m, 35 degrees while riding, so probably feeling temperature is a bit higher. I don't know, it's hot, it's just very hot. But we arrived at the guest house and we're gonna stay here for I think 2 nights before we make our way to the border of Laos. We need to do a little bit of reorganizing and then we're off to Laos, so let's see how that goes.
After 2 nights of some much needed rest, it was time to pack up and sadly say goodbye to Cambodia.
Good job!
Good morning! Today is a very exciting day because we are going to country number 5, Laos. So we are super excited to...
It's gonna be a good one, I'm pretty sure.
We're looking forward to all the riding roads in this country. I've heard it's very dusty still, but also very awesome scenery and mountains. So we're
mountains
so
are a bit colder. Like it's a bit higher, so the elevation's a bit higher. So we're hoping it's gonna be at least like just a few degrees colder.
Yeah, just a break from like 42 degrees.
Yeah, that'd be good. They're a bit not nervous, but like a bit cautious about the border crossing. We heard that in between Cambodia and Laos, the border crossing is very corrupt, and of course we read all the horror stories online. We're prepared very good and everything's fine, but still we will report afterwards how it went.
We'll see how we go. Hopefully we can get in. We've heard that maybe big bikes cannot get in, so that would be a big change of plans and very sad if we do miss out on Laos, but fingers crossed that's not the case, so we'll see how we go.
We'll stay positive again and we'll be fine.
It'll just be like every other boarding crossing.
Yeah, exactly.
Confusing, unsure.
Nobody knows what's going on, and some paperwork is going to be filled out, some stamps somewhere, you pay some money, and then that's it.
Hopefully that's the case.
I'll see you on the other side.
Bye.
Now you can see it.
I don't have any fish food.
What?
I don't have any fish food.
Maybe dog food's good? I don't know.
We saddled up Tilly and hit the road.
Let's keep going. You come to back there?
Before leaving the city, we found ourselves navigating through the bustling local markets in the sweltering heat. We love the vibrant energy of these markets though. It's incredible to see the fresh fruits and vegetables and connect with the locals.
So you go to the markets in the morning, seems like?
Yeah.
Where the fresh stuff is?
The fresh fruit and veggies, yeah. It's getting a bit squishy. Woo!
But let's just say the meat lying out in the heat gave us a pause. Eventually we made it out of the city and back onto the open road.
Instead of heading straight to the border on the main highway, we decided to take the road less traveled, exploring some countryside routes along the way. Meanwhile, Maddi was warming up for a big dance performance. Guys, she'd been practicing all week, so stay tuned. It's going to be something special. Alright everyone, get ready for Maddi's first ever dance performance on a motorcycle. Beautifully done, my darling. Later, we came across a small bridge near a village and weren't sure if Tilly's weight would be too much for it. We spotted a sign and tried translating it.
All bridges dilapidated, prohibited boulders and passing vehicles.
When suddenly, someone snuck up on Maddi.
I don't know. Hi! Maddi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And this is Ollie.
Hi,
Hello. What's your name?
How old are you?
Me?
Yes.
I'm 31.
10 years old.
You're 10? What's your
Yes.
name? What's your name?
10 years old.
You're 10?
Where are you from?
Australia. Huh?
Are you from?
Australia.
Cambodia too.
Oh, okay. Do you think this bridge is good?
Yes.
Yeah? It'll hold us?
Well, if the kids say so, it shouldn't be a problem, right?
Yes.
There you go. No worries.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is Tilly.
Tilly the tiger.
You reckon we'll give it a go?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, we'll give it a go. I'll wait on the other side.
Okay, go.
Ah.
Yeah, we go. We're going to Laos today. Bye, have a good day. Ready?
They're waving.
Okay. Coming.
Ollie.
Excuse me, you want to ride with me around the world?
Yeah, I'd love that.
Okay, jump on.
This is fun.
After that little surprise, we made it back to the main road and we're now on the direct route to the border. We're about 7 kilometers from the border and we decided to have breakfast first because we got some sandwiches. So we don't know what it really is. It's kind of like a sausage on it. Looks really good. Cheers. It's okay.
And of course, we shared our breakfast.
Oh, he's confused. Ready? Let's go.
Cambodia gave us a farewell that was just as warm and colourful, dusty and bumpy, just like its welcome. We've truly loved every single moment here. But the time had come to leave as we reached the border.
Let's get it started. Immigration police officer. Okay, so that that was just a regular police check of leaving Cambodia, basically.
Yeah.
Hello.
Would you like a travel companion?
No, thank you. Hello.
Hello, motorbike.
Oh, okay.
Go to the motorbike custom first, okay?
Yeah, okay, customs first.
Okay.
Even the customs of Cambodia have heard that it's probably, or could be an issue to enter Laos with a bigger foreign bike. So they told us to walk over
To Laos.
To Laos and first get customs sorted and see if they let us in with the bike, or let the bike in, and then they would let us in.
Which is super nice because that way
Yes.
we're not stuck in the middle of no man's land in between two countries
Have to sell
with a
a
bike
bike
with
and
no way out. So
Whatever we heard online, yeah.
we're so close to Laos.
It's so close.
Will they let us in? Well, we can go to Laos, but can Tilly go to Laos? So that seems too good to be true and too easy, but Tilly is allowed to come into Laos apparently. So
Yeah, so we just walked over there to Laos and checked with the customs, and he said $20, and he checked all the papers and even the cane, which I was surprised because Laos is not a cane country. He just said $20, and we're like, so we can bring the bike in the country? And he's like, yeah. We're like, okay, we'll be back in a minute.
So now we're heading back to Cambodia. We're going to stamp out all our documents there and then head over to Laos and get stamped in. And
We're off to Laos. Hopefully, we're not there yet, but still.
fingers crossed. Still
Fingers
a little
crossed.
bit cautious. You never know. But
I'm very excited to be
Yeah,
honest.
but very
Like, I'm
excited.
having goosebumps. Woo!
with the customs paperwork in Cambodia completed, we were officially checked out and ready to head into Laos. Of course, our timing wasn't perfect. When we arrived, it was lunch break. So we waited patiently for an hour until the officials returned. And that's where we met this guy. What are the odds? This is Ray all the way from Queensland, Australia, just like us. How awesome is it to bump into another Queensland rider right here on the border between Cambodia and Laos?
Ready? Jump on.
But eventually all the paperwork was done and we said goodbye to Ray and all the Chinese tourists.
What? Okay? Good? Okay. Yeah. What the fuck was that?
And just like that, we were in country number 5.
Oh my god, what's that? Woo! I can't do it. Anyway, we're in Laos! Yeah!
And this is where this episode ends.
In the next episode, you will see
Our first kilometres in Laos.
where we did this.
And found a new home in the 4,000 Islands.
Where we will certainly not die of thirst.